continue with the question number 4 of the same exercise 12.2. In the question they have given a triangle. You can see here DCE is one triangle and a parallelogram, that is ABCD. They are the same base. We can see that CD is common in both parallelogram and triangle. If the sides of the triangles are given 26, 28 and 30 and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, then we have to find out the height of the parallelogram. So how we can find out the height of a parallelogram? So for that we should remember the formula of area of parallelogram. So we know that area of parallelogram, this is to inform you, that is base, corresponding base into height. So we have the base, that is 28, so we can get the height. When we can get the height? If we have the area of parallelogram. So in the question they have given that this triangle DEC and this parallelogram have same area. So let's find out the area of this triangle using the Heron's formula. Then we'll compare area of triangles and parallelogram to find out the height. Now let's first write for triangle DCDE or DCE. A, that is 26, B, that is 30 and C, that is 28. First we need to find out the semi-perimeter, that is S. S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A plus B plus C, that is, first I have written C, it doesn't matter, it won't change the answer. So let's do the addition. 8 plus 6, 14 raised to 1. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 8. So the answer comes 42. So value of semi-perimeter obtained, that is 42. Let us find out the area of this triangle. We have the formula for the area of triangle. Area of triangle DCE or CDE. We'll use Heron's formula as S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, the whole square root. Let us substitute all the values. The semi-perimeter is 42. Value of A, that is 26. Value of B, that is 30. And value of C, that is 28. And the whole square root. Let's simplify this. This 42 as it is. The subtraction is 16. The subtraction is 12 and the subtraction is 14. Let us find out the prime factors of all the terms to get the square root. As it is 6 sevens are, so 6 is 2 into 3 into 7. We know it's a perfect square, so we'll write 4 times 2. 12. 4 threes are 2 into 2 into 3 and 2 sevens are 40. So thus we'll get the factors of all the numbers. Now let's see that how many times 2 is there, how many times 3 is there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 times 2 is there. 3 is 1 and just 2 times. The same, the 7 is also 2 times. We know when we do the square root, we have to do the half of the power. So 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 7. So now let us do the product. That is 16 and this is 21. So 16 into 21. So answer is come 336. That is the area of this triangle. This is not the answer we require. You recall the questions, so you know that you have to find out the area of, you have to find out the height. To find out the height of a parallelogram, as we discussed earlier, that we have to compare the area of triangle which we obtained and the area of parallelogram ABCD. For that, let's continue to compare the area. So here I'll compare this both. So here area of parallelogram is same as area of triangle. The parallelogram, that is base into height, which we have to find out. The base we have, area of the triangle we have 3, 3 and 6. If we keep that in the expanded form, to be easy रहता. Base we should consider 28 as we have taken, and the height let us consider as 3, 3 and 6. I'll take this 28 to the right hand side, which comes in the denominator. 3, 3, 6 divided by 8. I'll cut with 2. 2 14s are. 2 1s are. 2 6s are. 2 8s are. 2 7, 2 8 4. 12 7s are. So here we'll get the answer of height of the parallelogram, that is 12 centimeter. So it is an interesting and important question. Hello students, let's come to the question number 5 here. It is given that a rhombus shaped field, I have written the name ABCD, has a green grass for 18 cows to graze. That means there are 18 cows who can graze in the rhombus field. If each side of the rhombus is given 30 and the length of the longer diagonal is 48, then we have to find out that how much area of grass field will each cow be getting. मतलब हर एक cow को कितना area मिलेगा. So obviously we have to find out the area of this rhombus, and after find out the area of the rhombus, we can find out that area required. See, this area of rhombus can be find out by two ways. One which you have already learned into the 8th standard, but we'll use the Heron's formula for this. It's quite easy. So here you can see that I have taken for triangle BCD. The length of sides are already given, A, B and C. I have taken 48, 30 and 30 respectively. To find out the area by Heron's formula, first we need to find out the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C upon 2. So 48 plus 30 upon 2. So that is 108. So half of 108, that is 54 meter. So this is the semi-perimeter. Let's find out the area of this triangle BCD using Heron's formula as S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, the whole square root. Let us just substitute the value of this. It's 54. 54 into, it's 48. 54 into, minus, I'm really sorry. It's the value of B is 30. And 54 minus the value of C, that is again 30. So this is 54 into, this is 6, this is 24 and this is again 24. Let us students find out the prime factors of this. As they already in the pair, तो हम इसके factors नहीं निकालते. आप निकाल भी सकते हो. It's 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is of 24 and this is 2 into 3. And I'll write as 24 the square. Remember students, आप prime factors निकालो तो भी कोई गलत नहीं है. But this time we can get 2 square and 3 4 times and 24 the square. Now we'll do the square root. All the numbers are in a pair. So 2, 3 square and 24. So it is 48, 24, 2s are 48 into 9. So 9 8s are 72 raised to 7. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 7, that is 43. So the 432 meter square is the area of that triangle. But the triangle is the half portion of this rhombus. So let's go for the area of rhombus. It's very obvious that it is twice than the area which we obtained BCD. So it is twice into 432. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 864 meters square. Now this is not the final answer students, as it is mentioned that these are the areas for 18 cows. हमें क्या ढूंढना है? For each cow. So let's go for it. The number of cows and the area they obtain. For 18 cow, the area is 864. So for each, that means one cow, what will be the area? So it is obviously the division of 864 with 18. So let me cut with 2. 2 nines are, 2 fours are, 3s are and 2s are. I'll cut with 3. 3 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 fours are, 3 fours are. Now again with 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 eights are. So we can get the answer here that each cow have the area of 48 meters square for grazing in this rhombus field. I hope you got it. Thank you. Continue with the question number 6 here. It is given into the questionnaire an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces. You can see the 5 pieces are here of cloth of 2 different colors. That I have one color that is the plain and another I have shown here by the shaded region. Each piece measuring, it's given 50, 50 and 20. You can see this is one part which is in the shape of triangle. How much cloth of each color is required for measuring umbrella? You can see there are 2 shapes. So obviously there are 2 colors. One is this and another is the shaded, we can say, for this diagram. तो हम बताएंगे कि that each color has 5 triangles. तो हमें we have to find out the area of that 5 triangles. Now let's go for that. For each triangle, we can write that A that is 50, B also 50 and C that is 20. So let us find out the length of semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C upon 2. So obviously we will find out the area using the Heron's formula and then we'll multiply with 5. So it is 120 and the half of 120, that is 60 centimeter. So the semi-perimeter we obtain. Let's go for the area of each triangle. Again Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B and S minus C the whole square root. The value of S, that is 60, 60 minus A, 60 minus B and 60 minus C. Let us just simplify this. 60 into 10 into 10 into 40. We can see that 10 is in a pair, so we should keep it aside. हम इसके factors निकालेंगे. So 60. So 2 into 3, 6 and 2 into 5. Now I'll find the factors of this. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now we have 2 times 10. Let's see that how many times 2 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As it is 5 times, so we discussed that should be written 4 and 1 time. And 3 is 1 time. And 5 we have 2 times. So you can see here there are 2 numbers, that is 2 and 3, which we obtain here. That is only 1 time. So we have to check it out. So fine, it is there. So let's just do the square root of the numbers which has a power even number. So that comes 2, 5 comes 1 and 10 comes 1. And this both the numbers remain as it is. So we can say 5 4s are 20. 20 into 10, so that is 200 root 6 centimeter square. That is the area of each. As we have to find out that, हमें क्वेश्चन में ढूंढना है कि हर एक कलर का एरिया क्या होगा. So obviously ये एक का एरिया हुआ, so we have to multiply with 5. So we can write the area of 5, or we can say that each color, 5 triangles of same color, that is 5 into area of each, so that is 1000 root 6 centimeter square. मतलब हर एक कलर का एरिया होगा 1000 root 6 centimeter square.